Construction at Camp Nou is moving forward at an impressive pace this week. Across multiple areas, from structural frameworks to interior components, noticeable changes are shaping the stadium's future. Every section, from the tribune walls to the corners and glass installations, is showing clear signs of progress. Let's take a detailed look at the latest developments and see how the ongoing work is transforming the stadium. The black paint on the walls in the tribune area is now fully completed. All remaining blocks have been painted, giving the section a uniform and polished look. This sets the stage for upcoming installations and structural additions in this zone. Additionally, some structural fittings and chrome tubes are being prepared along the walls, ready for the next phase of lamina and interior work. Significant progress has been made in the diamond area with glass panels. Multiple panes have already been installed around the entrance, with a few remaining above the doors. The full front section is nearing completion, while additional glass panels are still staged in the storage area, ready for upcoming installation phases. Platform lifts and cranes are actively supporting the process, ensuring efficient placement of these large panels. Preparation for the fourth compression ring pillar is underway. Workers are attaching the necessary fittings, similar to the previous 3 pillars. This setup includes the positioning of radial beams and supporting elements. The upcoming week is expected to see the installation of this pillar, marking a major step forward in the stadium's structural framework. In the corners and lateral sections, structural beams and supports have been prepared for upcoming laminas. While no new laminas have been fully installed in these areas yet, the groundwork is in place. Platform lifts and cranes are active, ensuring that supports and future laminas are ready to be positioned efficiently. Some new red laminas have been installed along the false ceiling areas. These laminas extend beyond the previously installed support beams, indicating the next phase of exterior finishing. Before we move ahead, if you're finding these updates useful, a quick like and subscribing to the channel really helps support the work. All right, let's continue and take a look at what's happening next. The installation of cladding sheets on staircases is progressing rapidly. Since the last recording, the majority of staircases now have these sheets in place, covering the structures completely. The pace of installation is impressive, indicating that full coverage will be completed shortly. In the central lateral zone, multiple platform lifts are operational around the staircases and elevator structures. While lamina installation is pending due to unfinished anchor placements, supports and structural elements are staged and ready for the next phase of assembly. At the north goal section, new materials and components have arrived. Workers are actively preparing supports for glass panels, and cranes are moving large pieces into position. Lamina placement has yet to begin here, but structural supports are set, and activity is consistent across multiple levels. Overall, the stadium shows steady progress in multiple areas. Lamina placement, cladding of staircases, glass panel installations, and preparation of structural elements like compression ring pillars and chrome tubes. These developments mark significant steps forward in the ongoing construction. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more construction progress at Camp Nou. Your support helps keep these updates coming.